Welcome at forextrading.com. Let's talk about trade example. I was more focused about decision-making process in this trade. Well, recently we're seeing continuation of euro getting stronger, and we see here a recent range where the price action were showing us that we're gonna move sideways for time to time. So it was a sideways move during the day. Then in the afternoon, evening, the price action slowed down. It happened in Tokyo that it started to sell out a little bit, and we seen this small continuation of sellout to the next support resistance when last time little breath, a little retracements occurred. So we see at this moment this move was just before 9 o'clock, which is very important because we don't do actually any trading just before 9 o'clock or after 8 a.m. I mean European time before European London opening. So we see here after 9 o'clock, let's check this time again. After 9 o'clock, we see this move right here. We see this hammer candle, and this beautiful shadow is telling us that we might see an end of this breathtaking sellout. So little sellout. So I was supposed to watch the buyers coming in. I was hoping for strong buyers like those two candles right here, or this situation before. Strong two green candles, that's what I was looking for. Unfortunately, we seen only two medium-sized green candles, but afterwards we have seen the third stronger even greener candle, and the move was followed by the important data coming from the market. I mean, German unemployment change. It was better than in forecast. So this move continues at this time when the data occurred. But let's talk about decision-making process, because this pattern right here, even though I've gave my interest to it because we seen this shadow and it was at particular price level. It was 35.58, this line right here. So we are talking about particular level of where the price turned back and move into the trend. So I was interested in this move, but I didn't really see those really strong important buyers coming in like it happened here, or like it happened at this moment with continuation. So I see important buyers, but they are not the strongest type. So I ask myself a question in this decision-making process. Is there anything I should be scared of in order, if I enter here at 36.26, for example, if the price should be coming back to the downside at this particular moment? Is there anything I should be scared of, afraid of? The answer was no. So I've took another chance to consider the long position, because the little retracement we have just finished right here. That's what the price action showed us. So we have no danger from the another retracement. I mean serious retracement, because this was this move, and we have buyers coming in, and we have better fundamentals publicated than we thought before. So we see some movement, for example, like this point right here, that the price stopped at particular moment and moved back to the upside. I've entered the first part of the position at level 36.24 and the second part at 36.33, which at this particular moment they are already, the stop losses are set to break even point. That's why you see it as a red line instead of green buy line. You see here positions bought. So right now they are at break-even point. There are no risk, but we really had. I was considering the move to the downside, a little one, not the strongest one, because we hit the support resistance of 36.41. So we could turn back for a few moments to the downside, but I've took the stop loss around 35.71. That was the price action that shouldn't be here after this move. That was my conclusion for this move. So my stop loss didn't even um, uh, having to be bothered. I didn't really bother with the stop loss because I knew the price is gonna break out. Let's just see what the next move will be on the markets, how this move will really continue, or if it's gonna close itself at break-even point, because I'm looking forward to this move to continue to take 50 and 100 pips from the market and easily. So thank you very much for watching. This trade example was really focused on decision making process, that sometimes if the pattern or price action is good quality, but it's not the best or it's not the perfect, if you in this situation, if you ask yourself a question, is there anything I should be scared of? Is there anything why the market should turn back down at this particular moment? If the answer is no, if there is nothing to be scared of, sometimes it is worth it to enter the market, even though, for example, this is not my favorite pattern. I would rather see another time of price retracement and another shadows, and then I would enter the market. But I knew that could be waiting for something not to happen, because the price can break out from this move as well, after this ranging sideway moves happened before. So thank you very much for listening. I hope you will find more interesting trades in our trade example section. Thank you very much.